Silver hit over $58 an ounce yesterday, everyone. What is it going to do today? Is it going to hit $60 an ounce by the end of this week? Let's talk about this on our gold and silver updates today. Happy coffee. Good morning, everybody. Happy, what is this, Tuesday? Happy coffee right here, Oklahoma, United States of America, from my living room to your living room. What a teeter-totter for silver and all the other precious metals. Happy coffee, Slurpee cup coffee right here, Oklahoma, United States of America, everybody. Southern pecan. We're going to talk about silver today, as we always do. And I'm sorry I missed you yesterday morning. SSC couldn't wake up. Am I here today? I couldn't wake up, everybody. It was just one of those days where sometimes you just got to say, hey, I'm going to sleep in, right? So that's what we did. We slept in. And then we made a little short last night because I felt so guilty. I let my viewers down. Welcome to my channel. If you are a new viewer, this is the SSC you're going to get every morning, everybody. A normal guy right here, Oklahoma, United States of America. So make sure you hit the like buttons, everyone. Watch these videos through. And, hey, guys, go buy me a cup of coffee. Right there on my homepage, there's a link for buy me a cup of coffee. If you want to help support this channel, we'd really appreciate it. There's other ways also that you can become a member and get first rights to exclusive on some of my long form pickup videos and such. But listen, you don't have to do that. You don't even have to buy me a cup of coffee. But if you want to help us out, it helps things like giveaways. It helps things with fuel and cost, because let me tell you something, unless you're a big boy, you don't make money on these channels. I don't care what anybody says. So let's dive in to what is going on with our precious metals this morning. Gold, we're at 4,200. It's doing fantastic. It's still 4,280 cents. It's actually down $4.60. Yeah, $4.60 this morning. Shout out to my buddy at T&W Tire in Oklahoma City, Will Humphreys. Thank you, Will, for watching us. And of course, his brother. We appreciate you guys. Thank you so very much. Silver, 58.01. Holy smokes, guys. We're holding that 58 mark. It's teeter-tottering a little bit. It's going below, high 57s. Yesterday, it cranked down pretty good, but then it just blew right back up. It is absolutely crazy. It actually shows down 38 cents right now. Of course, that was the overnight market that while I was asleep. Throat noise. All right, so platinum is at 1634, and it is actually down, guys. It's down $4 an ounce, which is kind of, platinum's doing really good. So as I tell you, everybody, go out and get some platinum. Palladium, I'm not too sure about, but we're doing it anyway because it is a metal. And it's an expensive metal. It is. Scoot back a little bit. It's $14.29, down $18. So rhodium still the same as it was yesterday. Let's move on to our GSR, guys. The GSR has been absolutely amazing. I mean, We're at 72.38. Yesterday, it was below 72, the gold to silver ratio. And if silver continues to bull its way up, it's going to go really change. It's going to really change the gold and silver ratio. And a lot of you that stack a ton of silver may say, hey, off we go. We're hitting we're going to hit the trade, right? So I've done it before, and where I've actually traded gold for silver when the ratio was just outrageous, over 100. And I've done the same thing where I've gotten, I've traded silver for gold. So it just depends on what the ratio is. Southern Pecan coffee. It is good. It's my new one, everybody. Once again, buy me a coffee. This stuff gets expensive. Maybe I should do videos on coffee updates, right? Coffee bean prices. That might be kind of fun. That's a thought. That's a thought, everybody. That's a thought. So moving on to gold bucks, and then we're going to talk about silver again. We're going to talk about what I think and how I feel about what is going on with silver, and maybe a couple other little things that we need to chat about. Gold bucks, exchange rate, follow gold, of course, 24 karat gold. Exchange rate, the negotiating instrument. I mean, they're blowing up all over the country. All over the United States are actually starting to push throughout different countries. So popularity is really rising. $8.38 exchange rate, everybody. So gold backs is one of my favorites too. So, I would say for me, it's silver, gold, and gold backs. And then my next one, of course, is this one, copper. I believe in copper. I see copper really rising in the future. I did a little bit more research yesterday about copper and how the supply is short. There's not a lot. There's a lot of copper. There's way more copper than silver and gold. We know that, and way more than, of course, platinum. But it is considered to be in short supply right now. There's a massive industrial increase on copper, so it's going to push the prices way up. Right now, it's at $5.37, so it's gone up quite a bit. It's not priced per ounce, everybody, so everybody needs to understand it's priced per pound. But the actual, and I did a video on this, the cost to produce it from the mines to the minting companies to the wholesalers to the distributors and then to you, there's a big premium. That's okay, because it's still worth money. If you buy it and you pay too much for it and you lose money and you sell it, okay, it's still money. We don't want to lose money, right? So it's a long-term hold. So just remember that when you do buy copper, try to buy the minted stuff. Try to buy some beautiful artwork. That's always fun. Swamp East Bullion is one of my favorites now, but I'm a Germania and Geiger guy. So let's go on to Bitcoin. Everybody's favorite. I'm not a digital guy, guys. There's too many things going on. There's too much control when you start doing digital currency. There's too much control. All they got to do is hit a button and it's gone. Completely gone. $93,162.08. It's actually has come up just a little bit, so it's doing fairly well. I looked at the graph, or not the graph, but the chart this week, and we started, well, not this week, but a week ago, and we started at about 52.64, guys, on silvers, where we started last week, I think. And, it was down a little bit. Boy, that would have been the time to go out and buy in the dip, because now we're at, we're still at 50, we're at 57.94. So we're teeter-tottering all the time at 58. That's like $6 an ounce in 1 week, guys. $6 an ounce, everybody. That is phenomenally crazy. Are we going to hit $60 an ounce? Could we hit $60 an ounce this week? Okay, we're in Tuesday. If something happens and they don't pull it back and try to really suppress the silver prices and people continue to buy and they don't get scared, it's going to hit 60. It very well could. It also could very well dip down and everybody say, I'm going to take my profits right now while the getting's good. And then it drives silver down too. So silver has been really volatile. Could it go 100 next year? I think it easily could, everybody, with the way things are going. I mean, if you're getting $2.50 an ounce every month increase on silver like it's been doing, holy smokes. I mean, we could be in the high 80s by the end of next year, maybe even 100 in a peak, so I'm going to say go out and get you some silver. But one thing I want to tell you, coffee. Oh, allergies once again. So excuse me. The coffee loosens us up, right? Don't do this, guys. I've made this mistake. Not a lot. I didn't buy a lot, but I got impatient and I wanted to buy some silver. And so, well, as a human being, I used my card. Don't do it, guys. Don't use your card. Be patient. The reason why I say that is because you get charged 3 to 4%, especially with online dealers, if you buy silver or gold with a credit card or even a debit card. And on a credit card, not only are you paying that extra 3 to 4% per ounce, depending on how much you buy, then you're paying 30 to 35% in interest rates. And it's hard for people to say, I'll just pay it off at the end of the month, right? So you're just getting killed. So don't try not to use a credit card. I've made the mistake a couple of times. I bought 4 or 5 ounces with a card, and it wasn't a good idea. And Mrs. SSC chewed me out. Happy coffee for a wife that watches the finances. Ladies, thank you, because we suck at it, and including SSC when I say we. So everybody, I've got some cool silver pickups to show you. Got a little gold, got a little some proofs to show you, but we're gonna do that in Saturday's update like we did this last Saturday. And then on my dollar cost averaging, I'm going to try to buy some more stuff this Friday and somewhere around the 20th, 21st of this month, if it doesn't go to Christmas presents. So happy coffee to everybody. Let's go back, and we're at 41.99.10 on gold right now, 57.96. I think it's going to push over 58 today. I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. I've thrown bad passes. I've thrown great passes. Woof. Man, love football, everybody, and cars and airplanes and motorcycles and cooking. So 57.96 silver right now, 16.35 on platinum, and palladium 14.26. Fantastic. And our gold to silver ratio is still right at 72 to 1. Goldbacks are going to be the same. If you didn't pick this up and you scroll through, they're at 838 exchange rate. Something weird about this video going on here. It's like not keeping up with things. It's like 537 on copper. It's doing great. And Bitcoin hasn't changed. So let's see what silver's going to do this week. It's well outperforming gold. I'm at my advice, and I'm not a financial advisor, but I just research this stuff and I watch it. And so in my opinion, I'm going to buy silver this week. I think it's going to continue to rise. And so my investment's going to continue to grow. I think no matter what I pay for it, I just dollar cost average. If I can afford to buy an ounce, great. If I can afford to buy a half ounce, which a half ounce costs as much as what I paid for it almost a year ago. So it's crazy for a half ounce. So anyway, everybody have a great day. Have a great Tuesday. We got some winter, or is this Tuesday? Yeah, I think Monday, Tuesday. Okay. I don't even know what day it is, everybody. It is Wednesday. It's hump day. Are you kidding me? See what happens when you don't do a video? Happy hump day. So, oh my gosh, man. So we're going to have some winter weather, I think tomorrow on Thursday here in Oklahoma. So everybody stay safe. Keep watching us. Thanks all over the United States. All of my friends that watch our videos, subscribers or not, thank you so very much. SSC from my living room to your living room, guys, gals. Thank you, gals. Thank you for taking care of us men. I am out.